another video. So today's video is going to be a soak off. So this is this old set that I've had from Christmas. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first step is cutting down the nails as short as you can. I'm just using a regular nail clipper that you would use to clip your nail tips, and I'm just cutting down the nail as short as I can. Okay, so if your set includes any gems or rhinestones or any charms, the next step is you want to clip them off as best as you can. I only have one on my pinky, so I'm just going to take some cuticle nippers and just clip it off. Now you want to take any coarse bit with your drill, and I'm just using this coarse safety bit that I found off Amazon, and I'm just going to start filing the nail down. The key to a smooth and easy soak off is getting the nail as thin as possible. So that's my goal, is to just get the nail as thin as possible until you can see your real nail a little bit. So in this clip that's coming up, I just wanted to show you how thin the nail actually is, as I can see my real nail under that. So that's how thin you want to file down. So after filing our nails on with the E-file, this is what our nails are looking at so far. And next I'm just going to use a hand file. This part isn't necessary, but I just like to do it, and I'm just going to file down as much as I can with the hand file. Next, I'm going to be using my soak off bowl that I got from Shein. So the bottom part, it's filled with hot water, and the top part that's actually clear where your fingers are actually going to go in, you're going to put some 100% acetone and just soak your hand. So I'm taking some 100% acetone and I'm just filling up the little holes a little bit just to where your fingers are covered in it fully. Now we're going to let our hands soak for 15 minutes up to 30, and this is what your hand should look like in between the soak. Your acrylic should be flaky, it should not be gooey at all. If it is gooey, you are using EMA, which is toxic to your hand, so try not to buy EMA monomer. So now I'm just taking a cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing off all the acrylic off. This should be really easy. It should just come off easily. If it's not coming off easily, that means your nail is too bulky, so you will have to file down some more. So after doing the initial soak off, I'm going to be prepping my nails for the next set I'm going to be doing. So right now I'm just pushing back my cuticles. So now I'm taking my, I think this is 180 or 120 sanding band. And because my nails wasn't initially glossy because I just did a soak off, you're just basically filing your nails smooth and getting all that extra bulkiness from the soak off. After filing, I decided that I wanted to clip my nails short, so that's what I'm doing right now, is just clipping them down. This step isn't necessary, but it's just something I decided to do. Now after all those steps, you should have a nice clean soak off ready for your next set. This is what they should look like, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys another time.